Hey guys, welcome to Sneha's Craft. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make empty frame and bird stickers for wall decor. It looks as if birds coming out of the frame.
Came into my life just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish everything.
To make a frame, take the wood, mark and cut it into 4 pieces, 2 of 25 inches and 2 of 17 inches. Glue all 4 pieces together as shown with wood glue. I've used Fevicol SR998. Put masking tape to keep it in place while glue dries. Paint the frame with black color. Take black sheet of vinyl and print birds on backside of it. Cut all the birds. Nail the frame to the wall. Tape the birds using masking tape and see if you like placing of the birds. If you are satisfied with the placing of the birds, then stick the birds to the wall. You can also place the birds on the ground in order you like. And if you are satisfied, click a picture for the reference and stick the birds to the wall. done. Wall decor using empty frame and bird stickers is ready. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.
You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Season.